Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And oof, look at the day that we're having today. And you know what? If we have another red day like this, I think the market's gonna start going down and it's gonna start going down fast. And the reasoning behind that is because of the margin people are using. I believe that we're at the time where almost everybody is using margin, and some are using it way more than others. And then once there's the margin calls that come in, people are going to have to sell, which brings the markets down more, which forces more people to sell, which continues on and on and on. And we might be getting close to that route. I think if we have another bad red day in terms of like the tech, because I believe most people are in tech. A lot of people are actually getting into tech because of the growth that we've been having for the past year. So if we have another red day like that, I think we might just keep seeing red days for a long time, at least for a month, just like we had seen last year with the coronavirus. But let's actually look at some of the things that are down today, especially my portfolio. Neo down 7.92%, $50 right now. It's at 50 freaking dollars, and that's a freaking beautiful deal. Afria down under $20. This is still up a lot in my position. Shopify still up a lot. Jumia though, Jumia is getting under $50 too. When this one was up to almost $70 the other day. Jumia and Neo, I would love to buy more of these. I would love to buy more. But right now, also, I'm in the same position as most people where I do have quite a bit of margin. I have basically $13,000 in margin. I want to get that down more. I've been telling you guys like every single day that I want to get my margin down. I'm still waiting for my tax return to come in. Once I get that money to come in, pay the bills this month, I might deposit $1,000 and see how it goes from there. But I would love to get more Jumia, love to get more Neo. MP Materials down 9%. Would love to get this one. I would love to see this one to go down a little bit more. Corsair Gaming is the only one in my portfolio. It's actually up. Tesla, whoo! Tesla might go under freaking 700 tomorrow if there's another big red day. Dropbox, Beyond Me, and IIPR. The only ones that I've been looking at that are actually green are like some of the travel stocks like American Airline or Carnival Cruise Line. They're up pretty good amounts. That's why you gotta have to have a diversified portfolio. And eventually I will have a dividend portfolio. I would have a REIT portfolio. That's kind of the goal. And then I will have like a portfolio where I just hold ETFs for like super safe. That's the ultimate goal. I want to have like different types of portfolios, which will help my overall wealth increase over time, no matter how the markets are. If there's a bear market, there's some stocks that do well in bear markets, and then whenever the tech stocks are doing really well, I'll do very well. This is basically like a higher risk portfolio that I have. Stocks I have long term. Most of them are tech, high growth, and it was working for quite a while. But we might see the times change. But we're gonna have to wait and see how the markets are the next month, because I believe that if there is more selling tomorrow or the next few days or this week, we might start seeing people sell more, and then the margin calls, and it's gonna be a chain reaction. Let me know how much you guys are down, or let me know if you guys are up today. Let me know if you guys are gonna start buying puts or whatever. If I start seeing the markets go down more, I might just buy some short-term puts on the markets to see if I can capitalize from that. But most likely I won't. I don't really believe that we'll see a huge correction in the short term. Maybe a little correction, like another. I can see the Nasdaq going down another 2, 3, 4%, and that's not a major deal for me. But if I see the Nasdaq going down 10, 15, 20%, then that's a time where you really need to start paying attention to the deals, because we might see Neo go down to $40, and that's a possibility. The same thing with all these babies. All of them have been running up a lot. I would love to see Tesla under 700. Love to see Tesla under 600. That would be amazing. That's a good deal right there for the long term. But most of these are long term positions, so I'm not even tripping about it. So hopefully you guys are doing better than me. I'm down basically almost 10%, a little more than 9%, down more than $3,000. just got home from work, tired. I'd go sleep and go to work again tomorrow. Just gonna keep on grinding, and eventually I'll deposit some money so I can start buying some more stocks. But yeah, still up quite a bit. Remember, the goal is 50K. We're gonna get there eventually. All right. See you guys tomorrow.